at least. So just keep an eye out. If something changes, something changes.
Yeah, we're in a flash flood emergency right now, where we're at. So ain't gonna take us long. Oh shit. Damn, trying to get to work. This thing, man. Lost power, taking the water fast. This is a good spot for rescue. This is exactly what rescuers actually want. You want to be with action. Getting ready to head out towards it. And there goes our power. Man, this shit's hitting us hard right now. Rainy started going on. Yeah. I don't want to go out the front and show y'all what's going on over here. I'll fly over there. Yep, here's what we're about to get into. Staging up. About to take off. Not comprehending them running where power's out. Is there a person in the car that needs rescue? We could get a fucking rescue in. No. Is there a person in that car right there?
I don't think so.
Looks like I see a head right there.
Are those people in the car?
This street too. Anybody need help? Anybody need help? Anybody need help?
Anybody need help? Nobody need help?